This is our Samsung Galaxy A70s unboxing. Without wasting much time, let's unbox the package. Here's the Samsung Galaxy A70s package. You can see some basics info on the sides. There's a A70s picture on the front. On the back, you can see some specifications of the device, like 4G LTE Infinity U display, triple camera setup, super fast charging, etc. Now let's unbox the phone. The Samsung Galaxy A70s is powered by Snapdragon 675 SoC. There is a small box inside the large box that has the Samsung A70s. This is our fast charger that came with the box. There is a data cable which has a Type-C interface. There is also a SIM ejector tool. Now let's check the phone. Here's a Samsung Galaxy A70s. It has a glossy white finish on the back, but is plastic. Now let's turn on the device. As you can see, it is turning on. You can see a powered by Android icon on the bottom. You can see the triple camera setup. The main camera is a 64 megapixel. On the bottom, there is a Type-C port, a main microphone, a loudspeaker and a headphone jack. On the side, there are volume rockers and the power button. There is only a noise cancellation microphone on the top. Nothing much on the side. We got a warranty card, quick start guide and some other papers. Here's the regional log guide. There's pretty much nothing on the box. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe.